Hello everybody, Andrew Undham with the Sure Group of Berkshire Hathaway. Today we're at 2709 Fait Ave, arguably the best location in Canton. This one has it all, several years left on chap. Check out the historic door color, chap only. Tall ceilings in the basement, 3-bed, 3-bath, rooftop deck. This one won't last long. The first thing you notice when you walk in the front door here at 2709 Fait Avenue is the soaring ceilings, all recessed lights, tons of exposed brick, and the owners clearly have a penchant for design. It's a beautifully maintained and updated property. And what I love most here on the main level is the kitchen. Absolutely nothing in this home is builder grade. Everything's been updated, from the light fixtures, the hardware on the plumbing. Immaculate Scandinavian design here throughout. Quartz countertops. It just flows so nicely here. And the floor plan's wide open from your family room, dining room, kitchen, straight to your oversized parking pad. Easy in and out, all on the main level. Let's go downstairs and show you the 8-foot ceilings and additional 2 bedrooms downstairs. One of the key features that jumps out at you on the upper level is all of the transoms. We have a total of 6 transoms. Follow me into the owner's suite. 2 more transoms, and the natural light continues. 2 tall windows, and the owner's suite bathroom where the Scandinavian design still present, super high quality, and it's everything you'd want in an ensuite bath. Welcome to your rooftop deck. 2 tiers of decking, composite rails. That caps off 2709 Fait Avenue. This one has it all. Open floor plan, Scandinavian design, easy parking, tall ceilings, and an extremely functional and long finished basement, complete with a full bath and bedroom, and of course a 2-tier rooftop deck. If you're interested in checking out 2709 Fait Avenue, right near the intersection of Fait and Lakewood, smack dab in the middle of Canton, contact me, Andrew Undham, or anyone at the Sure Group, and we look forward to showing you this one anytime.